Why should you be a prepper? That's what I'm going to talk to you about today. This is Dr. Pat with the 7 Systems Plan. And if you look at this picture, what does it say here? Preppers survive. So I actually don't want you to be that kind of a prepper. Here's the kind of prepper that I want you to be. A mealtime prepper, because mealtime preppers thrive. I was prompted to do this video because I had 2 people that are on the 7 Systems Plan send these pictures this week. And I asked one of them, this is Mike going to come up here beside me. This is Mike's picture. And Mike, I want you to tell him what you have here.
Well, I got celery over here, cucumbers, red peppers, cauliflower, carrots, cherry tomatoes, radishes, olives, garlic stuffed, blueberries, pickles, cantaloupe, 1 ounce walnut packages or homemade packages. Got apples here, avocado, and little 3 ounce roast turkey breast.
So why'd you do this?
I work about 13, 14 hours a day, and it takes forever to pack a lunch if you're doing all that. So I do it all on Sunday, and I put them all in little sacks and just dump them in my lunchbox and go in the morning. So.
Okay. And I want you to know how this is working for Mike. How long you been on the program?
Just over 3 weeks.
And how many pounds you down?
33.
33 pounds. Planning ahead, preparing, makes a huge difference. Thank you, Mike. We help patients with lots of tips like this. If you're not familiar with our program, call the clinic, Tri-State Physicians, or see us at drpatluse.com.